What does philosophy apply to? Everything. I often get questions about the practical applications of philosophy. Philosophy is not a tool. Rather, it is the wisdom to use them. Philosophy resources at a bookstore or library won't solve your issues. Neither philosophy itself nor its professors may be able to provide you with easy answers. People have pondered these questions for 2,000, maybe 3,000 years without a definitive answer. At this point, one may not even exist. What does philosophy apply to? Everything. What does everything mean? Everything in this world, this cup in front of me, the university we study at, the earth, outer space. So the world is everything? Is there anything beyond this world? I, myself, considering all of this, is included in the world. And I that I think about is also included in all. Have you ever considered the definition of everything? Philosophy is to cover, to explore various concepts using words. But an essential tenet of philosophy is creating your own concepts divorced from existing ones. I often use the term soul in my discussions. You wouldn't find the word soul used in discussions about natural or social sciences. So in natural or social sciences, it's out of place, and it's actually not used in philosophy either. But in the world of religion or literature, soul is actually used. When I use the word soul in my philosophy lectures, sometimes the students might ask, how heavy do you think the soul is after we die? I think even conceiving of the soul as something that can be weighed is a fundamental misunderstanding. Sometimes the conversations around these words and concepts can be misleading, and sometimes they can be enlightening. We need to walk a fine line. We live in this contemporary world. I want to use the word soul in a correct way, and that's why it's often a topic of my discussions.